Hello, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Today, we are going to do page 73 in the workbook. So let's start. So, as far as I can remember, yesterday we were talking about superlative. So, in this page, we're going to do some exercises about superlative. So, we have a table here. Look at the table. We have three types of toothbrush. We have Turbo 10, Turbo 15, and Turbo 18. Okay, so we are going to read the price for each one of them, weight and size. Okay, let's start with the price. Turbo 10, it's 14 pounds. Turbo 15, it's 22 pounds. Turbo 18, it's 30 pounds. So which one of them is the most expensive? Excellent, it is Turbo 18. And which one of them is the cheapest? Yes, it is Turbo 10. It's 14 pounds, so it is the cheapest. Okay, let's talk about weight. Turbo 10, it's 200 gram. Turbo 15, it's 225 grams. Turbo 18, it's 175 gram. So which one of them is the lightest? Lightest. Excellent, Turbo 18. And which one of them is the heaviest? Yes, it is Turbo 15 is the heaviest. Okay, now we're going to talk about size. Turbo 10, it's 15 centimeter. Turbo 15, it's 18 centimeter. Turbo 18, it's 12 centimeter. So which one of them is the biggest? Biggest. Excellent. Turbo 15 is the biggest. And which one of them is the smallest? Yes, it is Turbo 18. Okay, we have six sentences here. We are going to read them and decide if these sentences true or false. Number one, the Turbo 10 is the most expensive. Is Turbo 10 is the most expensive? No, it is Turbo 18. The Turbo 15 is more expensive than Turbo 18. Is Turbo 15 more expensive than Turbo 18? No, so it is false. Okay, the Turbo 18, sorry, it is the cheapest. Is Turbo 18 the cheapest? No, it is the most expensive, so it is false. Okay, the Turbo 18 is smaller than Turbo 15. Turbo 18 is smaller than 15. True or false? Yes, it is true. It is smaller. Okay, the Turbo 15 is the biggest. Is Turbo 15 is the biggest? Yes, so true. The Turbo 10, it is the lightest. So this is Turbo 10. Is it the lightest? No, which one is the lightest? Yes, it is 18. Well done. Okay, in activity number two, what we're going to do, we're going to look at activity number one and write sentences. We are going to use the adjectives cheap, small, light, expensive. Number one, which one of them is the cheapest? The Turbo 10. The Turbo 10 is the cheapest. Which one of them is the smallest? Yes, it is the Turbo 18 is the smallest. Which one of them is the lightest? Also, the Turbo 18 is the lightest. Which one of them is the most expensive? Yes, the Turbo 18 is the most expensive. So again, let's refresh our mind and talk about short adjective and long adjective. And at the short adjective, we add the and est for the adjective, the smallest, the lightest. And the long adjective, like expensive, we add the most expensive. Okay? So here are the sentences about the table. Okay, this is a question what we're going to do. We have to use the internet and write the names or places. We are going to search for the oldest women in the world, the most expensive car in the world, the biggest swimming pool in the world, and the lightest bird in the world. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Look at this woman. This woman, it's Kane Tanaka. It's the oldest woman in the world. And how old is this woman? It's 118 years old. 118 years old, and it's still alive. Okay, so هي أقدم امرأة بالعالم. Kane Tanaka. Kane Tanaka, it's 118 years. Okay, so number one, the oldest woman, it's Kane Tanaka. Number two, the most expensive car, it is Bugatti. So this car, it's the most expensive car in the world, Bugatti. Okay, so number three, this is the biggest swimming pool in the world. It is San Alfonso del Mar Resort. It is in Chile. It is in Chile in South America, I think. Yes, it is the biggest swimming pool in the world, San Alfonso del Mar Resort. And this beautiful bird, it's bee hummingbird. It's the lightest bird in the world. So here are the answers. The oldest woman is Kane Tanaka. The most expensive car, Bugatti. The world's biggest swimming pool, San Alfonso del Mar Resort. And the world's lightest bird is bee hummingbird. So we are done with page 73. Thank you.